Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previous days this week, but want to end the week now, not that another week is in the books here. So that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not really relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere I look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So those of you who watched the previous videos, hopefully remember me talking about that $7 mark as an area of support. But now that the price has broken down below it, this would be considered an area of resistance going forward. So in the event there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside early next week, that $7 mark is definitely going to be the first key kind of hurdle and test for any sort of strength. So like I said, if the price starts to bounce upwards, that's definitely a nice little sign of strength. But is there any sort of genuine, powerful strength behind it? Well, let's see how the price reacts if it can get up to that $7 mark. In the event it can get up above there, then the next key level of resistance at that point would be up around the $7.55 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, next key level to watch going forward, going to be more so that gap close location right around $6.50. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, big picture wise, this one is still so much so in an uptrend. So yeah, I get it right now. There has been a pullback, but we got to keep things in perspective. Yeah, it's pulled back here, but previous pullbacks were down here in the $5 mark, and now we're talking about, price levels up here in the 7s and high 6s. So that's all a matter of reference point there. But overall, yeah, not the greatest way to end the week, but taking a step back and looking at more than just 1 or 2 days and looking at a couple weeks like we're doing here, you can see the overall trend still remains in the bulls' favor. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.